Gentlemen, my name is Elisar Quieta and today I will tackle some major purpose in crime analysis. First, let's start. First, what is crime analysis? Crime analysis is a systematic process used by law enforcement agencies, researchers, and policymakers to understand criminal behavior, identify criminal patterns, and support effective decision making. And it also plays a crucial role in supporting criminal investigation, data collection, statistical method, and spatial analysis to help prevent crime, solve cases, and allocate resources effectively. So, why is it crime analysis is important? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya mahalaga? Crime analysis is important because it helps law enforcement, policymakers, and communities to understand crime patterns and make better decisions. Instead of reacting only after crimes happen, crime analysis allows agencies to be proactive, strategic, and evidence-based. So let's talk about the assigned topics in line with crime analysis. Purpose. First is the crime investigation. For law enforcement organization, managing information, particularly location data, has always been a top priority. Why? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya siya ang nasa taas? Because because crime is inherently spatial, every crime happens and it answers the most important question in crime analysis. Paano? By knowing where crimes occur, understanding patterns, preventing future incidents, and making effective decisions in crime analysis. So, what are the methods of crime investigation? Before law enforcement personnel used informants to obtain private information on state investigation, while today law enforcement officers use GIS to construct geographical profiling of the criminals. So what is the most useful method in crime investigation between informants and GIS, or also known as Geographic Information System? Both the informants and GIS are useful in crime investigation because they serve different purpose depends on the type of the investigation. Like for example, the informants provide inside information about crimes, offenders, or criminals, while GIS analyzes locations, based crime data to identify spatial patterns. For example, series of nighttime burglaries. Sa pamamagitan ng dalawang pamamaraan, mas madali na lang magtutukan at malaman ng mga law enforcement officers ang lokasyon, pangalan, perpetrators, pangalan ng perpetrators, at iba pang mga mahalagang impormasyon. Nakakatulong din ito upang maiwasan at mababawasan ang mga masasamang aktibidad ng mga tao. Ginagamit din ito hindi lang sa paglutas ng krimen, kung hindi pati na rin ang pagbigay ng kaalaman sa mga tao. Second is the display spatial event patterns. The ability of law enforcement officers to identify these criminals' pattern since security organizations can utilize it to reduce crime as necessary, identifying the origin of the occurrence, enabling quick responses from decision making. So, how this space event patterns reduce criminality? Paano kaya? Paano kaya mababawasan ang kriminalidad? Display special event pattern reduces criminality by identifying possible crime hotspot. It helps to lessen criminality because it turns crime data into a visual, actionable information, preventing crimes and allow law enforcement officers focus on places, time, and condition of the crime occurred. For example, street robbery incident. This kind of incident, the law enforcement officers use GIS method to visualize where crimes happen, identify hotspot, and support crime prevention and investigation. Sa pamamagitan din ng GIS, malalaman ng mga police officers ang mga lugar na may mas mataas na antas ng robbery incident. Ito din ay nakakatulong upang magkaroon ng crime patterns ang mga law enforcement officers. For example, may mas mataas na antas ng robbery incident sa mga lugar gaya ng bus terminals, markets, poorly lit streets, highly pedestrian traffic during at night, crowded, and poorly supervised area. Law enforcement officers initiate to investigate the crime patterns committed by criminals to anticipate the future crime incidents. Next is the crime forecasting. Like display special event patterns, the crime forecasting is a pattern analysis for crime prediction to identify the potential criminals, targets, prevention of the crime, and analytic techniques of the criminal organization. Why crime prediction is important? So, bakit kaya mahalaga ang crime prediction? Crime prediction is important because it prevents crime before it happens, save resources, improve public safety, and it reduces repeated offenses. Example of crime forecasting is robbery holdup in a pawn shop establishment. The law enforcement officers ay gumagawa ng crime mapping regarding of the crime upang malaman ang mga possible areas or pawn shop establishment na maaaring target ng mga organized criminals. Sa pamamagitan ng crime forecasting, maiiwasan ang mga incident ng robbery holdup dahil mas binigyan ng tuon ng mga law enforcement officers ang mga areas na may mahina o walang masyadong presensya ng mga police officers natin. At yun lang po ang assigned topics na binigay sa akin. Sana po ay may nakuha kayong kunting kaalaman man lang sa aking mga report po. At salamat at magandang umaga.